Let's imagine a box. Okay? Let's imagine a box. That is the square root of 5 times 2 square root of 6 by 3 square root of 2. How do I find the volume of this? Well, the volume of a rectangular prism or a box is just going to be the length times the width times the height, right? So it doesn't matter. I could say this is the length, this is the width, and this is the height. In other words, the volume of this thing is going to be the square root of 5 times the square root of, 2 root 6 times 3 root 2. Okay? You guys got that written down? So now I'm just going to multiply the numbers by the numbers. So I have a 2 and a 3, so I'm going to put that in the front, 2 times 3. Then I have the square root of 5 times the square root of 6 times the square root of 2. Okay? Well, 2 times 3 is 6. Now what's 5 times 6? 30, right? What's 30 times 2? 60. So this is the square root of 60. I'm going to write that over here. 5 times 6 times 2 equals 60. Okay? But now I got to go through and simplify the 60. Alright, 2 squared equals 4, 3 squared equals 9, 4 squared equals 16, 5 squared equals 25. 4, I think, is the biggest number that goes into that. Well, I know that 4 times 15 equals 60. So then I rewrite this as 6 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 15. Does that make sense? Okay. What's the square root of 4? 2. So I say 6 times 2 times the square root of 15. What's 2 times 6? 12. That's the answer. Units cubed.